So guys, today's topic, 10 steps to instantly improve your trading. 10 पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं जिस पे आप मेहनत करोगे तो यू विल इम्प्रूव योर डे ट्रेडिंग इमीडिएटली. माई सेल्फ ब्रिजेश वाघानी. वेलकम टू पावर ट्रेड. What is this? That's 10 things. First points. Lose minimum. Lose minimum means set a minimum loss per day, per week, per month. Means you have to minimize your losses. You have to set your minimum losses. If you have 1 lakh of capital, if you are trading with 1 lakh of capital, you cannot lose more than 2% per day. Per week, you cannot lose more than 10%. Accordingly, it will go around monthly. If you lose it, wait. Try and learn it. Then go and take a trade. Don't take a trade on aggression that yesterday I have to recover yesterday loss, today's loss, day after tomorrow loss. No, you cannot earn money by this of mindset. आपको ये improve करना होगा. So what is a day minimum loss? Not more than 2% of your capital. Divide that 2% of your capital by giving 3 trades. That means you have to give yourself a 3 chance. That means daily you have to trade with 3 trades itself. If you go with these 3 trades and if you take a loss of 2%, you will never blow your account. That means you will never ever empty your capital. Always see to it that you keep your capital very safe. First point, you have to keep your capital very safe. If there is no capital, you cannot go and trade. If you lose today 10%, tomorrow 10%, how you will trade? Your mindset will change it. Right? So you have to keep minimum loss per day, per week, per month. Set a minimum loss per trade. Per trade means if you are trading, if you came in the morning and if you are trading for the first trade and if you earn a money, leave it second and third trade. Close the laptops, go home, go wherever you want to go, enjoy your money. It's your money. Don't try to earn more per day. Never do this thing. Never get greedy. चलो आज 10,000 कमाया है और 5,000 कमा लेता हूँ. Never do this thing. अगर आपने 10,000 कमाया है, close your laptop. You losing 2% and you are gaining 10%. If you're losing 2% daily and if you're gaining 10% daily, or even if you gain 5% daily, you will go and see by the end of the week or end of the month, it is a very good amount, very good amount. Choose, third point, choose the right price. That means let the trade come to you. You don't go and just search for the trade. अरे ये ले लेता हूँ, ये ले लेता हूँ, आज ये ले लिया, वो ले लिया, ये बेच दिया, ये ले लिया. End of the time minus. नहीं, ये नहीं करना है. Don't go and search for the trade. Wait, sit, trade like a cheetah. What does cheetah do? Cheetah wait for his hunt. Wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. घंटों वेट करेगा वो. but as he got some moment, he will go and just boom it. So you have to trade like a sniper. Wait. Trading is 90% wait, only 10% you have to execution. That means you have to wait for the opportunity. Let opportunity come to you. You don't go there and trade. If you go and do the trade, you will have a very good losses. Yes, I have gone to all these things. I have made many losses and I have experienced many things more than this thing. I will let you know later on how as we go it. So trade. The fourth point is trade like a cheetah. Wait for the opportunity. Let the price come to you. If it does not come, do not trade today. What's the problem? Your capital is safe in your account. It is not going to go anywhere. It is safe, right? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आज तुमने ट्रेड नहीं किया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, ये हो जाएगा. नहीं करो ना. Don't trade it. Let the price come to you. Trade it when the price come to you and sell it. You will never blow your account if you do this all 4 important points. Fifth point. Look only one candle stop loss. That means if one candle is of 5 points, or you can say 10 points or 20 points, see where your stop loss will be, 2% or one candle. Don't go more than one candle. That means if you want to go for the upper side, so if your one candle is this much, you have, if you buy over here, keep your stop loss over here. If it hit it. What's the problem? It's all on you. It's a very minimum loss. If you lost it this thing, you will never blow your account. Okay. Now the 6th point. Trade with the same setup with per day, per week and per month. Don't go and search for the holy grail. अरे चलो कोई तो इंडिकेटर होगा. होली ग्रेल मतलब कि श्योर शॉट के चलो हाँ या ये इंडिकेटर एकदम श्योर शॉट. कोई भी चीज़ शेयर मार्केट में श्योर शॉट्स नहीं है, कोई भी चीज़. बट इवन इफ यू आर करेक्ट विथ 70%, when you are taking the profit, you are taking a profit of 5% or 10%. But when you are losing it, you are just taking 2%. That too you are going to divide accordingly. This all comes into risk management and psychology. I will let you know what it is. So trade with the same setup today, tomorrow, per week or per month. आज RSI पे ट्रेड ले लिया, कल Bollinger Bands पे ट्रेड ले लिया. What is Bollinger? What is RSI? This is all are the indicators. All are good, but all are good when you know it, when you have a knowledge of it. Even if you know everything, you can lose that trade. Never go for holy grail. Trade with your same setup. Why you want to change your setup? अगर आप कोई बिजनेस करते हो, समझो कोई आपने शॉप ली, आपने XYZ दुकान लिया, समझो फ्लावर्स का लिया. आज नहीं चल रहा फ्लावर, so what you will do? You go and you will dump that flower and you will come and do with vada pav selling? No, na. You will try and try. The same thing you have to go with the trading. Trading is just according like another business. You don't have to take like something else. It is the same like in business. Okay. 7th is very important point. Keep a journal. लिखो, सब कुछ लिखो. Whatever you going through it while trading. When you taking trade, why did you took this trade? When did you take? What was your indicator? What was it is showing? You have to trade. Take a journal and you have to write it daily. Even while going the trade is going it, you have to write it everything. What is your psychology going on? what this point will improve, not today, tomorrow, but later on. As the day goes, as you experience it, you will see that there is a quite changes in your trading. Trade with the same setup for 3 months and just see, after 3 months you will get a very good result. Very good result. So very important point, journal. Keep a trade track of losing trade more than a winning trade. Why did you lose this trade? You should know that why I had lose this trade. What was your views? What was the timing? Why did you took it? What indicator was showing you it will go up, it will go down? What was the day? Everything, write it. Whatever the psychology is showing it, write it. Very important point. If you are a day trader, do not trade for 9:15 to 3:30. Trade, you divide by 3 things. You trade on morning, mid-afternoon or afternoon, but do not trade for full day. If you trade for the full day, you will never make money. Yes, it is true. Every trader make a profit. Do you think the 90% trader fails whenever they come to trade? Do you think they all fail? No, they all are past. They all take a profit, but while going home, because of greedy, fearness, because of something that और 2000 कमा लेते हैं और 10,000 कमा लेते हैं, इवनिंग तक अकाउंट नील. So trade only morning hours. Trade like morning 9:15 to 11 or 11 to 1 or 1 to 3:30. Divide. See wherever you are. See what is appropriate for you. Are you a fast? Are you a slow? Or are you a mid trader? See, experience yourself. Okay, what you are and what you are going to do it. Okay. See it. Very important point. Where are you the best? I don't know where are you the best. I know where I am the best, and I will trade that thing. But see where you are the best. Whether you are best on the morning side or a mid side or a trade side. But never trade full day. I never trade for a full day. I trade morning hours or mid-afternoon. Mid-afternoon means afternoon, 1 to 3:30. But I never see a chart after I get a winning stroke, or even if I lose it 2%, or if I get a profit. I close my laptop, computer, or it's the best thing. Keep 2 accounts with you. One account with the capital, one account only with for the chart. If you like to see only the chart, go and see the chart. Open that account, switch that account it, so that by the time you want to see it, you will go and worry कौन password change करेगा, कौन ये करेगा, and you will not go and take a trade. But if you see the same chart on the same account, you will see चलो एक ट्रेड ले लेते हैं और एक ट्रेड ले लेते हैं. अगर आपने 2000 लॉस कर लिया तो आप बोलोगे चलो रिकवर कर लेते हैं. सुबह का सारा प्रॉफिट आप इवनिंग में दे के आ जाओगे कंफर्म. This is the only problem with the day trader. They think that they are doing a job of morning 9:15 to 3:30. It is not a job. It is your business. Business मतलब freedom. जब चाहिए तब आप ट्रेड करो, जब नहीं चाहिए तब ट्रेड करो. Finish. Don't. Very important and the last topic. Don't trade with your needed capital. मतलब आप ट्रेड मत करो जो मनी आपको ज़रूरत है. या तो आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भरना है, रेंट भरना है, XYZ एनी एक्सपेंस आपको भरना है. नो, नेवर ट्रेड विद योर नीडेड कैपिटल. मतलब जो ज़रूरत आपको कल है, परसों है शायद, उस कैपिटल से आप ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते हो. बिकॉज 80% दिस ऑल इज साइकोलॉजी, 10% इज indicators and 10% is fundamental. You cannot trade with this psychology. You cannot trade with this needed capital. So these are the points, 10 steps to improve your day trading. Hope you all understand this thing. Note down it. Keep a paper on above your computer or laptop, or keep it in your bathroom, wherever you go daily. Just cross check it. You will not improve today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. It will take time, but you will improve it. Just keep these 10 points in your mind and just see you're improving day by day. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.